What's up, bro? Today I built a ghost train in my backyard. And if you can see, I put it on the wall, yeah. Ghost train. Before I write it, I did say it wasn't actually out. I did say that I'm gonna reveal my dog in July, but I forgot about it. So, Winston. Okay. By the way, that was edited. Winston, come here. Come here. Sit with me. Sit with me. Sit. Did you see me? That's Winston. Oh, spoiler. Okay, the sign. I'm in the queue right now of the ghost train. Yes, I built it. My dog is a little bit crazy, by the way. Alright, and so this is gonna be the. Oh my god, it just fell over. Want the POV? Here we go. Let me put this up. Alright, so see these blue parts? I have to follow him because this is the track. I have to be on the blue and... Okay. Are you ready for the POV, guys? My dog, anyways. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's the skeleton coming out the grave. That's a clown welcoming in us. Oh, yay. Stopped. Head ticklers. Me going in. Ooh. Lighting up skeleton. And a three-headed one. Okay. Ghosts. Three little ghosts. And, oh, there's a trap. Whoa! Oh god. Well, here's the pumpkins. Yeah. I'm still in this. Oh god. Here's a witch holding a ball. And she fell into a cauldron. That's a grey bat. That's a mice. That's fake. Spider holding a leg. And oh, I forgot. Yeah, that was the. Anyways, oh, look at that, baby. Oh, zombie coming out of the grave. That skeleton is riding a car. Spooky. That's light up. Spider there. And then this is the final bosses. And you come out again. And we stop. Okay, that was a very good ride. So let me give you POV again. So the track was going along here. And we saw a skeleton coming out the grave. It followed the blue line. Also, I'm doing it without the cart now. And I'm giving you some hidden secrets. There's the clown welcoming you. It's kind of like a storyline, kind of ghost train. And the changing picture. And if you dare. And then, guess what, guys? This skeleton is actually the skeleton here. Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. And then it lit up because it's the oven. He's in the oven now. Oh, yeah. Man. Anyway, so there's the three ghosts. It's supposed to face this way towards the door, you silly goose. Alright, it goes along here, and then we finally turn but a drop. And oh boy, we see the pumpkin. Two pumpkins. This one sucks. This one's really good. Anyways, look at this witch holding the ball. She fell into the bucket. And there's the grey bat. I don't think I can see much, but there's the grey bat. And the mice. The mice trap. That's actually real mice trap. I don't want to touch that. Spider with holding a human's leg. A grave. A ghost. It looks like a genie. Oh yeah, and the skeleton hanging up from there. And then we see this dude. Guess what, guys? This dude is actually the dude here. So we defeated him and we killed him, but we didn't know what happened to him. He disappeared. Someone put experience on him and put him on a human's body, take out the legs so it can fly and make the skin uglier, and then put the head on here but take away the yellow stuff in the mouth and eyes. And yeah, and moving pictures. And the skeleton riding a car. Don't think you can see much. Hold on. Okay, I think you can. Zombie coming out of the grave. And oh yeah, I forgot. This is projector. It's a ghost, and I forgot to show this to you. Look at that, you. Anyways, it's a spooky here. And it's a spider holding up it. Oh yeah, I've got to show you this bat at the end as well, and the skeleton lady, and then the spiders. This is the final boss, by the way. And then we go out and nothing happens then. So that's cool, ain't it? That's cool, ain't it? That was my theory. And also, you know, this skeleton. You know this skeleton, right? It's actually this guy, and then he got burned, and then someone did surgery again, and turned out like this. So that's her as well. Anyways, I hope you like my ghost train, guys. In the next video, also stay tuned and horror season.